Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2330th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, this is going to be a quick video. I did a very long, hour-long presentation for Metastock today. I will leave that link under this video if you'd like to see it. For this video, 2330, it's for trading October 27th, 2021, and of course that would be a Wednesday. Traders, this is a very risky game. Please know that. Never trade without stops, never trade without money earmarked to be lost, and always put those stops in first. All right, so what are we looking at? The double top in Nasdaq. We hit exactly to the top of that double top line and dropped and settled almost at the lows of the day. The OMNI signals are completely mixed. I have a mixed bag of signals on U.S. indices. Some are bullish, some are bearish, and others are neutral. So that tells me we are in a pause. If we're not going to sell this double top, then we're going to do nothing for trading Nasdaq on Wednesday. There are several other markets I'm interested. I'm looking at all sorts of things, grains, I'm looking at energies, I'm looking at metals. So make sure you come on down to livewithoscar.com and I'll show you some of those trades. And remember, stops are in, emotions are out. Traders, I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.